Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to fill a shape with an image here in Canva. Let's begin. Filling a shape with an image in Canva is a simple process using the frame feature. Once you're logged into your account, you can choose a design, start from scratch by clicking on this. Click create a design to start a new project, or maybe you can either select an existing template. In my case, I'm going to be using the YouTube thumbnail because after recording this video, I'm going to upload the YouTube thumbnail along with it in our GPLAPS YouTube channel. But if you have an existing project or a design, just click on it. Now, on the left side hand bar, click on the element section. You see that? And go to the scroll down or type in frames if you can't find the frames here. Search for the elements if you can't find. You see that? Click on frame. Click on frames, and what will happen is, for example, if you wanted to put a if you wanted to fill in a shape of square, a circle, a triangle, a heart, maybe just here, a star, and maybe like a hexagon. So these are going to be our elements. Now, all we have to do is go to the videos if you wanted. Now, I'm going to be dragging a sample for this. See, all I have to do is drag it to the shape that you wanted so you can fill it up. You can do this obviously on the photos right here. You can drag it all the way wherever you wanted. This is a spaghetti on the triangle right here in the star. And this one should look around, it's a heart right here. This one looks good here. This one looks good. No, how about this one right here? Okay, and if also you can also apply that same procedure in the shapes, right? And of course you can add some flair by adding a background, maybe this one right here. Once you're happy with that, all you're gonna do is click on play to see if the images fill into shape without any problem. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.